Hello everyone, welcome back to Tina Teach Django main index page, creating a new view and linking it back to the main index page. First off, the main index page is basically the landing page when someone visits the project's root folder. Okay, and we do this by creating another template because this is another site, another part of our site, and we're going to call it main.html. Now, we've already created, a link to main.html in our previous two lessons, I believe. However, we haven't really worked on the main index page. It doesn't exist. So if you click on the link, it just gives you an error. And this lesson is where we remedy that. In the main.html, we linked it to master.html so we can get the the HTML syntax. We have block title and then end block for my first project. And here block content is where the uniqueness of the main index page comes in, differentiating it from the other templates that we have. We have my first project, members, and then check out, a link with members in it. Now that we're done with creating a new template, we're going to create a new view called main. And this is within the views file, okay, that will deal with requests involving this template or the project root. So this is views.py file that we're adjusting. You have the classic from Django.html import, template import loader. So we already know all of this, right? The same thing that we have. Now, the difference is this over here. Main request template equals to loaded dot get template main.html. That is our new template. Return HTTP response template and render. Okay. The main view, this over here, will load the main HTML main.html template and then outputs the HTML rendering of that template. Okay, so what it does is basically renders what we have in the main.html file. Let's move on to adding URL. To make sure that the root URL points to the correct view, add the main view to urls.py. So this is the file that we're working on, okay? And in this file, we have URL patterns. We've worked on views and URLs a lot. So anytime you have a new template or you want to change anything regarding the templates, these are the two files that you bounce against. Okay. So first path, main, member view members, and then members detail, details, you get the gist. And this is the new one that we've added in, views.main, name equals to main. Now we add the link back to the main within the available members.html template and the content block. This is what we're going to do. Extends master.html, block title, all of my available members, list of their first names and last name, and block. Okay. Continuing with home, members, and then a list of first name and last name as links. And now we've reached the final step, which is go to the correct directory and run pymanage.pyrun server and then go to this address. Okay. And then we should see the main page with a listing of all the names, and once you click to that names, the other templates, which will show you the first name, the last name, and the phone number, and then the join date. You get the gist. So we're going backwards. Instead of working on the main file first, we've worked on, the details page, and then this is the main file that we're working on. So here in templates, I'm going to create a new file called main.html, and then some Django code, extends master.html, go down here and have block title, which is my first project. Okay, end block. Let's go down here and have our unique block content. And then page 1, HTML. It's not Django. H1, right? My, let's go with my members. Let's keep it short, my members. H3, members. And then, P, check out our members. A, href goes to members, all right? And then we end our block, okay? And block, as easy as that. And then I'm gonna go to views.pile file in the members folder, okay? So we have a bunch of this that we've already worked on, many lessons ago. Let's go down here and create a function for main. Request template equals to loader.get template main.html return HTTP response template.render. Okay. Then let's move on to the urls.py file and let's add in path. Okay. Views.main name equals to main. And then a comma. Now let's go back to template. Go to available members.html. Then up here, I'm going to add P, A, href, home, A, and then P. Now that everything's done, let's go to the correct directory, my first project, in the command prompt, and then py manage.py run server. And this is our main index page, okay? My members, check out our members, and let's click on this. We have members, right? And a home link back to the main index page. Let's click on Just Brown. Okay, we have 5, members since, back to members, back to home. There we go. We have a fully functioning site. So thank you for joining me and watching into the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Learn today, better tomorrow. Stay tuned for my next topic, 404 or page not found. We're going to be working on that, okay? So have a wonderful day.